Syncro4. Get out of the way, Magpie. Coming through. Oof. That has a lot more gusto now. Woohoo! That is going. Nice, nice, nice. Actually have to slow down for the corners a little bit now. Look at it, hold the line. Battery, the tires are still doing good work. Oh, sprayed myself in the leg again. Coming through. Hey, there's that side bite I was talking about. You come in too hot and it will flip. Those tires are merciless. When they bite properly. Oh, behind the tree, can't see. There we go. Got a lot of bounce, Now let's see how good these tires are on the track. Beautiful. Has enough power to clear the jump. Tires are still holding well. Wow. Jumped so well. So well balanced. Oh, beautiful. We do have some tailwind, so it is helping. Wind's coming from my left. So no doubt it's helping carry the car a little bit. Stay upright, there you go. Beautiful. Man, it's just point and shoot. This car, those tires are doing a lot of work because that rear suspension is still bouncy. Still got a lot of rebound. But the tires are making up for it in the corners for sure. Just missed the tree. All right, let's go bigger. See what else we can do. Let's see how it banks along there now. Yeah, still holding perfect. Yeehaw! Look at that. Wow, Syncro4 bringing the heat. Nice. Look at this thing, it just handles so well. I think the suspension needs a slight tweak. You can see it bouncing around in the rear. It might be slightly oversprung or maybe under dampened. But it has the speed for just all out sends and some bashing. Oh, stay upright. There you go. A huge amount of rebound. Wow, man. Oh, really? That's disappointing. Okay, Superman jump. Let's see what we can do here. Syncro4 taking on the Superman jump on 4S, stock out of the box. Stock tires, stock gearing, and just running 4S. Wow, zeros. Wow. Ah, bummer. Wow, so windy. Oh, here we go, big send. Oh, that was nasty. Well, we're good. Oh, the body's not. Hang on, let's see what happened. Did it just come off? It may have just come off. What's happened? Where is it? Ah, the antenna is creating. There we go. That's there. That's there. How did the body come off? Okay, chassis is fine. Nothing broken. Steering good. We're okay. so nice. When you get on that down slope, that required zero correction. That was just me letting go of the throttle and away it went. Little tap of the brakes just before the end. And we'll see if that guy wants to run. Alright, let's wrap this up with a couple more jumps. So far so good, everything's going well. A couple of stacks but nothing major. I'll tell you what, even against the wind, he's doing pretty well. Here we go, grand finale. Yep, slipped a little bit. Punched it a bit too hard. Here we go, squeeze that trigger, line her up, and away we go. Way! Almost cleared it, almost cleared it. If we didn't have so much headwind, I reckon he could have done it. And there we go, the Syncro4 on 4S this time. Just really putting in work and showing us what he can do. This is a great handling buggy, but it does have a bit too much rebound. Something that I might tweak in the future and see if we can get that suspension to sink in a little bit, especially when it's on the corners and it's not bouncing around like crazy. Those tires though, doing awesome work. Those tires are fantastic. Might actually try them on the Spark and see how they hold up there. But wow, this car has definitely impressed me for a 4S machine. And there we have it, Syncro 4S on 4S. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.